Guys, this is Jones here. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step tutorial on how to download your NIN slip and fold it into a plastic NIN card that can be used for every online verification and also offline verification. Note that when you fold your NIN into plastic ID card, you can either take it to the bank, they are going to accept it, to any SIM registration center, they are going to accept it. Even when you want to do online transaction, maybe your Binance account verification, your Paybase, your net teller, your Skrill, or any other accounts online that you want to verify, note your NIN that is already folded into a plastic ID card can actually be used 100% and the verification is going to work. Without no further delay, let's dive into the video. You will come to Play Store and search for the NIMC mobile app. So when you get the NIMC mobile app, I already have it on my phone, so you just have to open it. Now I've already logged into my NIMC mobile app, so I'm just going to click on my show ID just for you guys to view it. So this is basically how my NIS look like. This is the full and this is the basic. Here is the basic. So as you can see, the basic is not showing my date of birth, while the full here is showing my date of birth, my nationality, and my sex. You just have to swipe left or right. Swipe left or right to see it, and as you can see at the back of my NIN is showing my NIN ID card, so my NIN identity number. So to get this, to do this, you first of all scroll to print premium NIN slip here, then you will click it. Once you click it, note once you click it, it's going to load a page. You just have to click on automatically. I already logged in automatically, and now this is the page to pay for the NIN slip. Actually, there are two types of NIN slip here, which is, let me show you. This is the first one, the premium NIN slip. Basically, this premium NIN slip is the one that is in the colored format, the green colored format. Those ones you can only print it, you can only do it yourself using this NIMC mobile app. But if you went to any NIC registration center and all that, this is this standard one, this standard slip is the one that they are going to print for you, especially if they are collecting, if you go to the center whereby they are not printing the long slip again. So this is basically all about it, but today we are just talking about the premium slip. So now to print the premium slip, you just have to click on this premium slip here, and then you click on pay with remitter. So the page is going to load. Here you are just going to fill out your card details, as in all the 16 digits that is in front of your card, whether your Naira MasterCard or your VEF or your Visa. So you are going to fill it. You are going to enter the expiry date and month and the CCV. To get the CCV, just flip your card to the back and check the 3 digits that is actually at the right top corner of your card. So let's get started. So I feed my card info here, so and I'm going to pay a total of 1,200 naira. So when I click on pay, An OTP will be sent to my registered phone number, and I'm going to enter the OTP code. So I click on pay. Okay, now suspected fraud, because on and on I already paid for this stuff. I'm just showing you guys for the sake of this video so that you won't miss any step. Let me back it. So now, after backing it, after you have paid, after you make the payment, so you will be automatically directed to a page to download your NIN slip. After you make the payment here, you will be automatically directed to download your NIN slip. But in case after making the payment, maybe due to network issue or any of that, you are now not able to download the slip, just come back here, just navigate back, go back, go to home page, and when you go to the home page, you just come and click on here. Did you make any payment but haven't received value? So you click on it and you click on validate. Then when you click on validate, you are going to enter your remitter receiver reference. You mean the number that was generated for you during the payment. Once you register, enter the number, is like a receipt, so they'll be able to confirm your payment and bring out the results for you to download your NIN slip. So after downloading the NIN slip, it will be downloaded to your local phone as PDF. As you can see, here is it that was downloaded to my PDF. As you can see, the green file, the green, that's what I used to name it, and I named the standard one my NIN file. As you can see, here is it. Let me enter so that you can see it very well. Here is the green, the standard NIN that you want to download, that you want to pay for. Here is it, and here is the standard one that is going to print for you if you go to any NIN outlet center. This is the one that they are going to pay for you, print for you. So after getting the NIN in PDF format, just go to a printing shop at your area, send the NIN to them, and they help you to fold into a plastic ID card like this one right here. This is the front, as you can see. This is the front, and this is going to be the back. This is going to be the back of the NIN in of your plastic ID card. So, and all this you can use it for online verification, either for Binance, Paybiz, Skrill, or any other verification. And even you can also take it to the bank and use it for your account upgrade and your bank account creation if you don't already have a bank account. So if you find this video very useful, don't forget to click the subscribe button, share this video, and invite your friends. See you in the next video. Peace out.